Right now, the fastest growing open source project in the history of GitHub is something called OpenClaw. It was just on Lex Fridman. OpenAI just hired the guy who built it. Everyone is talking about it, and every single tutorial on YouTube is made by someone under 40. I'm 58. I sell used trucks. And last week, this AI built my wife's entire consulting business in one night. Then it cloned my voice. I'm not even a tech guy, and I'm proof you don't have to be. What is OpenClaw? Before I show you what happened, let me explain what OpenClaw is, because the tech channels are doing a terrible job of this. You know, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Imagine if those actually worked, like really worked. That's OpenClaw. It's a free AI assistant that lives in your computer. Not Apple's computer, not Google's, but yours. It doesn't just answer questions, it does things. It texts people, it reads your email, it builds documents, it clones voices. It's like having an employee who works 24/7, never complains, and costs you about $20 a month. And I, a 58-year-old used truck salesman from Texas, set it up on a Mac Mini in my house. If I can do it, you can do it. Who am I? My name is Pops. I'm from Plainview, Texas, a little town in the Panhandle, and I moved to the Houston area, specifically Pasadena, in 1989. I was a club DJ in the early 90s. I was spinning at a club called Zaz when I met Selena Quintanilla in 1993. But that's a story for another video. For the last 21 years, I've been selling and financing used 18-wheelers at Vanguard Truck Centers. Semi-trucks, big rigs, that's my world. I didn't grow up with computers, I grew up with 8 tracks, then cassettes, then vinyl, then CDs. Every time the format changed, I figured it out. Well, AI is the next format change, and it's the biggest one yet. I went looking for someone to show me how this works. Someone over 50 who isn't a programmer, but I couldn't find one. So I became that guy. Now here's the part y'all are gonna love. My wife Jennifer's a registered nurse, 32 years. She's a regional clinical specialist. She goes into nursing homes and rehab centers and fixes what's broken before the state shuts them down. She's incredible at what she does, but she really never owned her own business. So I told my AI, build us a consulting business. And in a few hours, it built 19 documents, a bio, service packages, a website copy, LinkedIn profile, marketing strategy, legal agreements, everything. I told Jennifer about the AI and she was scared. She texted back, it knows my name, with the crying emoji. But when I showed her what it had built, 3 hours later, she went from crying to asking the AI about the weather. From terrified to telling it to shut up.
Shut up!
And that's probably you right now watching this. Curious but a little scared. I'm here to tell you what's on the other side of that. Fear is a business that didn't exist yesterday. Here's why I made this video. 73 million Americans are over 50. That's almost a quarter of this country. The biggest technology shift in human history is happening right now, and nobody is showing us how to be a part of it. I'm not an expert. I'm a truck salesman who figured this out with sweat and stubbornness. If you're over 50 and you've been watching AI from the sidelines thinking, that's not for me, well, look at me. I'm proof that it is. Subscribe if you want to ride with me. I won't talk down to you. I won't use jargon without explaining it. And I'll keep it 100% real. Because AI isn't just for the tech bros and the youngsters. It's for all of us. I'm Pops. This is AI After 50. I'll see y'all next time. Hasta luego.